Hello everyone, my name is Courtney Rafferty. I am the I3 person at Beaver Technology Center, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some accessibility features that are on the Chromebooks. So they are already installed on the district Chromebooks, they don't cost any more money, and they will be great for a plethora of students. The first accessibility tool I want to go over is reading mode in Chrome. So this is a great accessibility tool for students that might have a read aloud accommodations, students who get easily distracted on website, or even students that have vision impairments. Okay, let's go through the steps together to access reading mode on Chrome. This is going to be on a teacher Chromebook, but it will be the same on a student Chromebook. So on Chrome, go ahead and click the three dots over here in the top right corner. Then you're going to scroll down at the very bottom and select More Tools right here. Then you are going to come over to the side and select Reading Mode. This side bar will pop up. Now let's go over some of the tools that you'll find inside Reading Mode on Chrome. All right, so this is a passage that a student might be reading on Newsela or Newsela, you decide, about the world's oldest llama who enjoys comforting chronically ill children in Northern Carolina. So sweet, I want to know more. The text is very close together, kind of small, and I'm just a little bit distracted. So I'm going to come up here to my three dots and go down, like I said, to More Tools, over to Reading Mode. And the great thing about this is you can kind of decide how big you want each part to be. So, you can still see the photo over here. And then you have all these tools up at the top. Now, where this differs is with a student Chromebook, you're going to have a little speaker right here that will help it become read aloud to the student, where you can change the voice, the speed, and other tools like that, which is awesome. Then we have our font over here. We have our sizing, which would be great. My students, I actually have two students with vision deficits, and I help them set up this tool on their Chromebook, and now they know how to use it on their own. It's very user-friendly, even for my second graders. You can also change the coloring, so this is helpful for them as well. Making it a very contrasted background to text is helpful for their vision. You can go ahead and do spacing not only lengthwise, but also width, which is awesome. All right, for our grand finale, we are going to be exploring the live captioning tool on Chrome. So this is on the Chromebook student and adult. This would be great for students that once again have that reading accommodation, read aloud, maybe a hearing deficiency. I know sometimes I watch YouTube videos with the kids that the closed captioning button is grayed out, so this would be great for that. Here are the steps we are going to use to set up live captions on our Chromebooks. All right, we're going to first go to Settings. We're going to go to the left at Accessibility with this little blue guy. We're going to scroll down to Captions. Now you can kind of get a preview of what the captions will look like. And when you want to turn them on, you can either toggle this button over here on the right, or a little shortcut is the Windows key, Control, and L to turn on live captions. Now you can also edit what the captions will look like. So maybe they need stark contrast. So for a background, you might need something kind of neon to really cause a contrast with the black. You can change the opacity of the background or the font even. You can change the sizing. There is a lot of different options with live captions. Okay, so here is a quick little example of what the live captioning might look like on a YouTube video. You won't actually hear the sound, but this proves that even if your computer is on mute, the student will still be able to see the captioning. So maybe if they, lost their headphones, they need to watch something that they can't watch out loud, there's no extras, things happen. This could be useful for those students as well. Thank you guys for taking the time for watching this video and hopefully learning something that you can take back to help benefit your kids with these Chromebook accessibility features.